Here we are again down the other end of the front wall, and again we've got all that rot happening there. Yeah, we've got another like half post just here. That's good. That's the looking at it from the front, it's on the right hand side window, but in the centre where the internal stairs are, there's no half join. So there's a nice rotted out sill bolt. It's all rusted, obviously not gal. And it appears to be that they've used pine on the sills. It is just literally, I'm not even sure if that's pine, don't know, but it is shit. Shouldn't take too long to repair. I always say that. But, so I've got a jack underneath there now, just a bit of wood for a little bit of leverage in case it comes out of plumb. I'll have to go down to the shop and get myself a reciprocal saw, because I won't get in there with a handsaw. I'm just going to have to cut it out bit by bit and see how we go.